Purple Gaming back with another video. Yes, sir. You see, I got the bike pulled out again. It's time for another model, my bro bike. You see what we about to do today? Spinning stickers. Yes, sir. This shit about to go on the motherfucking wheels. You know what time it is. They ain't gonna look like this no more. Or it is, and they gonna look better than that. So let me go ahead on and try to break this box open real quick. Alright, so you can see I done took the items out of the box and got it taped in the bubble wrap. Go ahead and tear that up real quick. Yes, sir. So got these stickers and there's some other stickers put on by like some promo type stuff, and I don't need that. That's a receipt. Thank you for ordering, blah blah blah, and they give us instructions. Stickers are made of vinyl with slow drying glue. Take 24 hours. That's fine. We ain't riding no time soon. We'll probably till like what you call anyway. Alright, so let me get started on this, and I'll show y'all what that junk look like. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Y'all can see I didn't put them junks on the back tire. This is also in the way. But I put them on the back tire. I had to spin it because we ain't got the whatchamacalls, the stands. So this say ZX6R. You can't see it. But she says ZX6R right there. On the bottom. And then let me get a flashlight. Alright, so now y'all can see it. It's better with the flashlight. You see down there. So I can get the camera in there. Can't get in there that good. The ZX6R. You know what I'm saying? The stickers got a mind of their own, bro. They be going good and then they wanna do their own little thing. Alright, so now I still got that many stickers left, and I got these right here. So let me start on the front and I'll be right back. Alright, so once again, here's the back tire. Of course I had to move the bikes. Now you get to see the ZX6R. Yeah, that thing slap. It slap. Yes sir. That's the back. I'm using my phone as a flashlight too. And then come to the front, which the front actually was easier than the back and everything. The front was easier than the back. I ain't have to work so hard. It's just the rotor was in the way on this side because the tile in this way. But that shit's straight. That shit's straight. So now the last thing to do is to take the blow dryer and blow dry the stickers so the adhesive will make sure it stick. So this is a quick how-to to put on tire stickers. Number one, like I told you, you got to get your alcohol. Get your alcohol. Get a microfiber towel. You got to clean your rim. Make sure you clean your rim. When you clean your rim, you'll start putting your stickers on, and you're supposed to rotate your tire 180 degrees and then put the next sticker on. But hell, you can do it how you want to do it. Once you finish putting the stickers on, like this right here, right? Get your blow dryer, and you want to heat it up for at least probably like 30 seconds and everything. So then once you heat up for 30 seconds or a minute, they say put on high heat. It's gonna make the adhesive stick to the tire or to the rim, whatever. And then you're done, bruh. And then this what it's gonna look like. Yes, sir. That should look good as hell. Alright, y'all. That's it for this video. Quick little mod. We got more mods coming. So just stay tuned. What game we got?